If you are struggling with learning classic lash extensions or you are just starting out, this video is for you. I'm going to break down essential techniques from choosing the right lash type to placing it perfectly on the lash line. By the end of this video, you will gain the foundational skill that every lash techs need to succeed. This is Ciula Lash and I am Monica here to guide you through it. Today we will meet for the first lesson. When applying eyelash extensions, I will prepare a pair of tweezers. For eyelash extensions, I will also need the fake lashes. I can apply them on the eye area, or for beginner, I can place them on the forehead areas. The fake lashes are easier to work with compared to the regular ones. This is a nude line. As for tweezers, I will pair a curved tweezers and straight tweezers. Depending on personal preference, you might hold them differently, or for those who are used to using straight tweezers, just continue using them. Monica's habit is to hold them in a particular way. Remember not to apply too much glue. You should neither apply too much nor too little glue. In other videos, I might zoom in more to guide you on how to properly use glue. Now let's begin with eyelash extensions. I will fold the lash about 1/3 of the length. After that, I make sure to take a tiny drop of the glue. After the lashes, make sure to separate the natural lash first. However, you might encounter a common mistake where even after separating the lashes and using the glue correctly, the extensions are applied too far from the natural lash line. Monica's first point is to ensure the proper placement. The second common mistake is that when the glue is applied too far from the natural lashes. Here's the tip for beginners. When applying eyelash extensions, the goal is to place them at the natural lash line, one hair at a time, and make sure to apply them with proper technique. You should use a very thin layer of glue and apply the extensions on the line properly. The glue should be approximately 1.5 to 2 mm away from the natural lash line. In theory, the glue should be spread thin, avoiding excess. However, in practice, too much glue may cause the lashes to fall off quickly. We should hold the lashes at a 45-degree angle when applying glue, leaving only a very small drop. If the lash extensions is angled incorrectly, use tweezers to adjust it immediately. When you learn eyelash extensions, you may follow your teacher's guidance or developing your own tweezing technique. When pressing with glue, the adhesive takes time to dry, so leave some space between the lashes, then apply more one by one to avoid any misalignment. This is the correct method to follow when practicing with the fake lashes. Everyone should practice well with these techniques. On real lashes, there can be multiple layers, unlike on fake lashes, where there's only one line. When practicing, it's crucial to be consistent and accurate to master the technique. When teaching students, I always emphasize practicing on the fake lashes first. Similar to the nail industry, practicing on the fake nail will make working on the real nails easier. The same goes for eyelash extensions. If you practice well on the fake lashes, you will perform better on the real lashes. Without understanding this technique, the correct distance between extensions, your work on real lashes will take so much longer to perfect. If your lash extensions are not beautiful on real lashes, beginner may get discouraged. Now we have finished applying the extensions. In this video, I've shared some tips and I hope they are helpful. If you have any questions about techniques or would like me to demonstrate certain techniques, feel free to leave a comment down below. Continue applying eyelash extensions until the whole line is finished. Make sure to not skip any lashes. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this experience shared by Ciula Lash Master team helps you. Don't miss the next video. Please click in the circle in the middle of the screen to subscribe or check out the video on the left side of the screen. Goodbye and see you in the next video.